Fine. This is problem number 27. Let us start solving this. They have given 1 plus 0 plus 9 by 100 plus 3 by 1000 is equal to what? That is what we need to find out. Now here see what happens here. This I can rewrite like this: 1 plus 0 plus 9 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. Now this will become 1 plus 0 plus 9 by 100. When you divide 9 by 100, you are going to get 0.09 plus 3 by 1000, that is going to be 0.003. Now add it: 1 plus 0, correct? Let us check out this. There are 3 decimals here. After decimal point, 3 digits are there: 1.000, then 0.000, then 0.09 and 0.003. Now add it: 3, 9, 0 and 1. The answer is 1.093. Right here the answer is A, 1.093. Hope you understood, right?